Hey everybody, Phil Garner here with Garner's Garden, and let's talk about toners. Which toner is right for you? We have several different types of toners. Let's first start off with, what is a toner? A toner is going to be used specifically after you finish cleansing your face. It's going to help remove any impurities that are left on your skin. It's going to help deep cleanse your pores, bring out those impurities, and also leave your pores open, because you know what the next step is, right? Is to moisturize your skin. So when you moisturize your skin, you want the oil to penetrate through your skin cells and actually into your skin to help feed it nutrients. So again, which toner is right for you? We have several different types of toner. The very first toner that we made, this is an all-time classic right here. It's our pure toner. The pure toner is going to be perfect for those of you that have sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, our pure toner is made with witch hazel and is also made with aloe vera. And our witch hazel is a very high grade of witch hazel. It's one of the most purest forms of witch hazel without any alcohol in it. All of our toners do not have alcohol. And when I say does not have alcohol, why does that matter? And alcohol is like a nuclear bomb to your skin. It decimates everything, the good bacteria, the bad bacteria, everything, and your skin starts to look matte, almost like a dead person. All right, so you want to make sure that you want to keep your skin moisturized and healthy and glowing. So a toner, pure toner, this one is going to be for those of you that have very sensitive skin. Now, what if you don't have sensitive skin? All right, so we have two different types. We have our apple cider vinegar toner, and we also have our extra strength toner. Now, our apple cider vinegar toner, it is going to help balance the pH of your skin. That's number one. The second one is going to actually provide nutrients to your skin, because this is the apple cider with the mother. It has all the necessary ingredients in it. It has all the necessary macro, micro nutrients inside of that apple cider vinegar. It's not stripped away of all the nutrients. And another thing is, it's going to act almost as like a skin lightener. Okay, so like if you have dark marks on your skin from acne, just surface area dark marks around your skin, this is going to help remove those over time. Consistent usage on a daily basis. It's not going to happen overnight. However, everybody's skin is different. It may take a week, it may take a month, it may take a year for you to see results. However, those results are going to be permanent. It's not going to have any type of side effects either. So let's just take that gradual course towards transforming your skin. Now, the next one is going to be our extra strength toner. This extra strength toner is one of the most powerful toners that we have. Why? Because it's made with oxygen. Well, H2O2 is also made with the witch hazel, aloe vera, and a bunch of essential oils that make your skin tingle, and it really helps penetrate into your skin, into your pores, and clean those out. And you'll feel a tingling sensation. That is the blood circulation starting to move through your skin. That's what's going to help your skin revive itself and go through that transformation process. So again, we have different types of toners. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to give us an email at contact@garnersgarden.com. Thank you.